Hi guys, I'm Carrie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in the video, TOEFL reading, summary questions. I tell you how to solve summary questions with 4 easy steps. We all know the summary questions are hard and confusing. So how to finish them quickly is what I want to tell you today. Let's get started. Here's a passage from TOEFLBank. I suggest you try it first before you continue to look at how I do it. I posted the link in the description below. You can pause the video now if you want to try it. This is the direction and answer choices. I didn't even read the direction because they are always the same. Don't read it if you have known what it's about. Now let's talk about the first step. Check introductory sentence and grab keywords. This is the direction that TOEFL gives us. Pay attention to keywords that are nouns and verbs. Let's look at the example here. This sentence has 3 nouns and 2 verbs. Which one is important? Or are they all important? Let's find out. Okay, migration is important because it's the main topic, and forms and motive describe the migration. Divided is important since divide appears after the comma. Then we know the key idea is migration be divided to different forms. Okay, what's next? Before we move on, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you. Go to answer choices and rule out wrong answers. There are 6 answer choices. Wrong answers are not related to the intro sentence. Sometimes they have wrong or unmentioned information, or they have minor details, examples, or supporting ideas. This is how I rule out the wrong answers in the example. A is about bird migration. It seems right, but I'm not sure it. If you are not sure, write down some keywords from the sentence first. Then move on and don't stay too long on one answer. B. Purpose of checking birds is to save the endangered species. It's not related to the intro sentence, so B is wrong. Here's another way to figure out B. Answer the reading questions in the order as TOEFL presents to you. Question 6 highlighted a sentence. The goal of checking was to understand where they were going and why, so B is wrong. C is about fish migration. I'm not sure again, so write down some keywords and move on. D is also about fish migration too. Grab keywords first, but I did question 7 before. It pinpoints paragraph 4 and it's about fish migration. It mentions the movements of anadromous fish is hindered by human-made obstacles. 2 different kinds of fish, so D has wrong information. E mentions lifespan of insect migration. I remember question 8 is about insect migration. It pinpoints paragraph 5. At the end of the paragraph, it's about insects' lifespan are short. So E has correct information. But does that mean E is correct? The intro sentence is about various forms of migration. E mentions only a tiny part of insect migration. Sometimes the information showing in the end of the paragraph is not important, so I rule out E too. F is about insect migration. These are keywords. Sometimes you can solve summary questions by only ruling out wrong answers. However, what if you can rule out the wrong answers? Find out where in the passage these answers are related to. TOEFL pinpoints the location where you can find an answer to a given question, but not including summary questions. 2 simple ways to pinpoint locations. First, check the first sentences of paragraphs, but skip the first introduction paragraph because answers must be in the body paragraphs. The first sentences show the paragraph's main ideas. With the intro sentence, you may have figured out the answers. Second, answer questions in order and use your memory from the previous questions like I did. After pinpointing the paragraphs, scan keywords from answers. Keywords may show up as synonyms or in different orders. Paragraph 5's first sentence is about insect migration. You can find answer E and F's keywords here, so both of them have correct information. but F's keywords show up before E's do. That means F expresses the main idea, while E is a minor detail. 4 simple steps to make summary questions easy. First, check the introductory sentence. Grab keywords like nouns and verbs. Second, go to answer choices and rule out wrong answers. Wrong answers are not related to intro sentence, or have wrong or unmentioned information, or are minor details. Third, pinpoint the answer's locations by using the first sentences of main paragraphs or your memory. Last, scan the paragraphs and find the answer keys. They may show up as synonyms or in different orders. Any final tips? Make an educated guess if you don't have time. Short and simple sentences may be minor details. Try to leave more time for summary questions, but don't let them eat up your time. Check out my other videos to improve reading speed. Please share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See ya!